Hello, Josh here with Hammer Stars on a job we're getting close to the end of. We added a second floor above this garage and kitchen, and we also did some curb appeal upgrades here. We've added tongue and groove cedar siding with a clear natural stain look. So we're below the addition. We had to redo this whole ceiling over the kitchen, and the garage is behind me. The stairs actually come up here where we removed a bathroom. This is now pantry closet. And we've reformatted the laundry room. So here we're in the entrance. This used to be a wall to the laundry room. Now it is a little sitting area, kind of a mud room, hall, tree type cabinet. And here's where we added the stairs. And can't see it too good now, but we put some nice wood floors. So here we are on the upstairs. This is kind of a big game room with an open concept over the stairs. Got nice storage areas behind the knee walls, and a nice view of the street.